Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Daisy, and today I'm bringing you the third video in this special series with Kittl, a platform you already know I love because of how easy and powerful it is for designing. In this video, we're going to create ready-to-print designs for Sublimation and DTF, perfect for customizing mugs, t-shirts, tote bags, and much more. I'll show you how to use Kittl's templates, how to design from scratch, and even how to use their AI tools to create amazing images, all from one simple, all-in-one platform with no complications. Kittl is an intuitive and powerful online design platform that allows you to create professional graphic designs without needing advanced experience. With hundreds of templates, creative tools, unique fonts, and AI-powered features, Kittl is perfect for customizing products, creating designs for sublimation, DTF, logos, prints, or social media, all in one place. At the end, I'll show you how to download your designs in high resolution so you can get high quality prints. So, if you have a small business or simply love to create, stay with me because this is going to inspire you so much. Let's get started. One of the things I love most about Kittl is how easy it is to work with their gallery templates and designs. You can use them exactly as they are, or you can completely customize them to your liking with just a few clicks. There are endless options for every occasion, from inspirational quotes to seasonal designs. You just need to scroll down, explore, and pick the design you love most to print on your sublimation project. It's that simple and creative. Right now, I'm going to show you an example. Here, I have some templates I added from the gallery, and I'll show you how you can also modify them. For example, here is this design we just added. You could print it exactly as it is if you like, or you could change things around. For example, you could change the text. You can also change the letters, the fonts, and even the colors. Let me show you how. We'll go to the color palette, and for example, I change the background to white, and there it is. You can do the same with other colors, even change the color of the letters. But for now, I leave it as is. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to modify these templates. Now, I'm going to show you how to create designs from scratch, in case you want to create something completely unique. These four designs, for example, I made entirely from scratch, using basic shapes, text, and the Shape Builder tool. Let me show you how I created this design. We go to the home page, click on New Project. I'll select the standard canvas, but you can choose whichever size you want. Next, I'll go to Shapes. Select Basic Shapes and look for a half circle. Here it is. I'll rotate it. This will be the slice of a watermelon. Then I duplicate it, make it smaller, and place it in the center. I change its color to red for the watermelon flesh, and the back part to green for the rind. I'll select the red layer again, duplicate it, and place it to the side. I'll select both layers, go to the Shape Builder and click Subtract, and there's that layer done. Next, I'll duplicate the red layer again, make it a bit bigger, center it, right-click, send it to the back, and change the color to a lighter green for shading. I'll duplicate the red layer again, place it to the side, Remove the darker green layer and place it aside. I select both layers, use the shape builder, click subtract, then send the green layer to the back. Now I select the red layer, place it on top, and I'm going to cut out little bite marks. I'll add a teardrop shape. Resize it, place it where I want. Duplicate it, make it smaller, and again use the shape builder to subtract. There we have the watermelon slice with bite marks. Now let's add the seeds. I'll insert a teardrop shape, resize it, and place it in the center. I'll duplicate it, rotate it, and place it on the other side. Flip it horizontally, duplicate it again, and keep adding seeds wherever I want. Then I'll select the red layer, duplicate it, go to the color palette and change it to a linear gradient. On the left, I'll make it a darker red, on the right, a softer red. If you want to get the most out of these features and have unlimited access to premium templates, resources, and advanced tools, I invite you to try Kittl's membership. I'll leave the link below so you can try it and start designing without limits. Select all the layers, right-click, group them, and rotate them a bit. And there's our watermelon slice. This is an example of how you can create your designs completely from scratch. But the advantage with Kittl is that you can also use ready-made templates or even create designs using artificial intelligence, which I'll show you after finishing this one. Now let's add some text. I'll click on the T. For text, select headline. You can also select the one below if you want. I'll type Hello Summer. I'll choose a nice font from the text styles. I like this one, especially how the H fits right by the bite mark. So cute. Next, I'll duplicate the text and type Summer in all caps. I'll choose a bold, fun font that looks great in uppercase. To make sure the text stands out on top of the watermelon, I'll add a border. Go to Border, set the size, and I'll make the border white. Place the text on top of the watermelon. Perfect. To add extra detail, let's create little drops of watermelon juice. I'll insert a teardrop. Double-click to adjust the nose, reshape it to look like a realistic drop. Resize, rotate, and place it on the design. I'll duplicate it, make the second drop smaller, flip it horizontally, and place it. And place more drops wherever I want. And there we have the design created completely from scratch, perfect for sublimation or DTF. At the end, I'll show you how to download your designs in high resolution for the best print quality. I'll also show you how to create mockups right inside Kittl. Look how cute our watermelon design turned out. Of course, you can keep adding more details. Change text color, maybe to green to match the rind, and play it around as much as you like. Now let me show you how to create stunning designs using Kittl's AI tool. I've already created these 5 beautiful designs. I'll show you how to write prompts to create the exact design you have in mind. Click on the little star from Kittl AI, then Image Generator, and here you describe the image you want. Be creative with your description to get the best results. For example, I'll type, create a summer illustration with a slice of watermelon, tropical leaves, small flowers, pastel colors, and the phrase Hello Summer, or Hola Verano in Spanish, in a fun, handwritten style. Bright, fun, fresh. Perfect for a t-shirt, tumbler, or mug design. Then I'll choose the style. I like watercolor. Then click Generate Image. And here it is. What do you think? It's so fast, easy, and looks beautiful. I personally plan to use this one for a t-shirt and also for mugs. The image has a white background, which is fine for sublimation, but if you want it for DTF, you can click Remove Background, and it will give you a transparent version. So pretty. I'll place it on the canvas. If you don't have a canvas set up, click this icon to create one of any size you need. If you didn't like the first design, you can generate another. Look, here is another. So pretty too. This one is more defined. The other one looks like a soft watermark style. You can remove the background again for DTF. Beautiful. I recommend you to check the text. AI sometimes makes mistakes, but these designs look great. You can also personalize the designs that are below with your own text if needed. Now that I've shown you 3 ways to create sublimation or DTF designs, let me show you how to make mockups. For example, I use this Hello Summer watermelon design with flowers. Place it on a white canvas, then go to the right side, click Mockup, and you can create mockups for t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, tote bags, basically anything. Mockups let you present your design as if they were already printed. Perfect for visualizing your product before printing or promoting on social media or online shops. Look how nice it looks. Once you're done, click Download Mockup and you'll have it ready on your computer to showcase. Now I'll show you how to download your designs in high resolution. Make sure your design is inside the white canvas. If you don't have one, create one with the Artboard tool. Then, in the top right, click the download arrow. Choose your format. I'll choose PNG. And make sure it's set to 300 dpi for high resolution. You can change the dimensions to inches if needed. I'll set it to 10 by 10 inches. Then click Optimize Quality and Download. Now your design is ready for printing, whether for sublimation or DTF. As you can see, Kittl is such a powerful tool that not only makes designing easy, but also lets you take your ideas to the next level with mockups, ready to print designs, and AI-powered creativity. If you want to get most out of these features and have unlimited access to premium templates, resources, and advanced tools, I invite you to try Kittl's membership. It's totally worth it if you have a small business or simply love creating. I'll leave the link below so you can try it and start designing without limit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.